Hi guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're gonna open Trio Lot.
Yes, McDonald's Happy New Toy.
Yes.
This one Discovery, what, they go to Discovery Channel or what?
I don't know. Trust me, I'm not there.
You like McDonald's?
What?
Do you like McDonald's?
Yes, I love McDonald's. Let's give you a close-up. No more close-up. This is the bot. This is the teachy bot. It's supposed to go up. It's okay. I made it go off. Okay. Instructions. This one's already broken for no reason. You spin the bot. Spin
Oopsie.
the bot. He's doing. Oh. It's a great spinning thing. How do you call this?
I don't know. Sprinter.
Spinner. Wait. I'll make the thing. This one, or this one. If his face stop on which one is which one. I guess he likes nothing. Oh, spin again. Cardboard here, over here. Let's see what he likes. He likes this one. He likes this spot. Maybe he can go like this. Wow! What did I just do? What did I just do? I did not see what I do. I'll put this thing back here. And then bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.